1, 2, 3. Have a good Turkey Day now. 351. Sam Powell, Turkey Day Wave Breaker.
Alrighty, 351. Happy Gobble Gobble Day coming right back to you, man. Remember, be thankful. Be thankful for all the things you have, not what you do. 1, 2, 3. Get down.
010. You got that right, too, man. I got this spiral ham right here ready to go, man. So I'll be tearing that up tomorrow. Hey, 1, 2, 3, take care. Your 351 is gone.
Hey, 351, I'm going to say this for you. I'm thankful you have yourself a spiral Thanksgiving. You know, there's all kinds of people out here, man. They can't even afford Thanksgiving, man. So just remember that. While you eat that beautiful spiral ham, 1, 2, 3 is getting that. Hey, Doc.
Yeah, you probably get you a radio for that spiral ham. Hey, 1, 2, 3, take care. Your 351 is gone.
Doorknob down in Music City waving. I'm going. 351. Take care. God bless. Have a wonderful day. 1, 2, 3 is gone. 40269.
Hey, after all, man, hey, that spiral ham was at $45, man. I only paid $30 for my radio. I guess everybody's throwing it down now. I'm going to get out of the way, not like I was in the way, but old 351 Sam Powell's gone.
No doubt. 1, 2, 3, I said hello. And on the eavesdropping side. 00. 8900. Do you say 311? Get lucky every now and then. 8004. That's all it is. I just get lucky when the big boys are out. Make it down. Audio 1, 2, check 325 up here in the Buckeye. One more time in the big world sound. How about it after one more time? I say around the big world sound. 311 in the cornfield. Hey, 004, tell them I'm gonna turn the green light on for them. Hey, 004, I'm gonna turn the green light on. Audio man is back eavesdropping. Station around Mobile, Alabama. How about that?
Hey, audio man, what did you do? Finally pump that thing up, man? You pushed it up in the red that time. Hey, audio man, 351, what is Turkey Day wave?
I got it all, 351. Ain't no doubt. Happy Turkey Day wave down your way too, big brother. Station around Mobile, okay here. Hope you and the family's doing real good down that way. Enjoy your doggone time at that dinner here tomorrow, without a doubt. Tell them all I did say happy Thanksgiving, bro. Hey, 351, definitely tell the whole family happy Thanksgiving down that way when you sit down at the table. And you know you're going to be in my doggone thoughts as well. 351 audio man.
010, and I got it all there, audio man. They take care, man. Have a good Turkey Day also, man, and I will. Man, me and the family get together and have a good old time, man. Hey, take care, and sounding good, man. I'm running the gate right now. Go 351, and the saying is gone.
351, you know, I'm getting smacked right in the side of the head right now. I'm on a 351.
I don't know about getting all smacked upside the head all that much and all, but man, it's right there on the video gate and sounds pretty darn good to me.